lam khat menteri rangba gejala ukondrat sangma hagajing le buram ya ki khna rit ki bal khat no hakasmi buram ki khun kan thai kular ban kershan habaro kilyang ya ki khna kan thai kentu unong ai jingmut ke sarkar uba polling do manpeni khambun ki kenbun village defense party bat kenbun territorial army hadian banang ki ki kamina persha e ki khna rin kentu ke sarkar Meghalaya ban penne ya ke sukasan hadian ke jinga kan at hakapur dangjur ke jinga kan at hakathai lapanga bat lalap yang ya kena kat sausnem hadian ke jingwat shitam baro shimiat ha umpling ya kendu biang ki bahagian hakanesh das hospital ki khubor ki babaniha u menteri gejala u konrad ki sangma ulayalam khmat ha kaban penlong ya gejing ngap jar ka ba arminat na ka benta ki khana rit ki baladu e yala ka chong gejing im ha gejing cha ki badang shen ha kani gejala ha kasni rakhe ya ka international day of the girl child arajar arhusan ha kapor bala penlong ya gejing ekren ki khana pulie ki lakali jingkali halor gejing shngan ha ki skul gejing baha ka bam jasngi gejing hikai banyada yaladi pat ki kam sport u menteri rangba ulakula reki hakabaya dei bat kecing temu jong sarkar ban wanra ya ka roi kapar habaro kilyang ha kani kasni la ai buramru ya ki la do ha kalyang ka puli puthi sport ki nongseng kam la jong bat ki we ha kecing kran jong u menteri rangba ula banjur halor gejing trelang ban kershan ya ki khon kan thai ula kran ru halor gejing shngan jong ki khlung khana ban yada na kecing pendan kam bakla ya udrok bat ka benta jong ki pat ba ban tei ya ka emlang sa lang ka ba kham
What I'm hoping that we will be able to achieve by having this program today is to be able to ignite and to be able to start this entire process of seeing this kind of change that we require in society today, especially when it comes towards the thought and process towards our girl child. On the kind of different challenges, the different excitements, the different opportunities, and so many areas where we can work towards, I should say, unlocking the kind of opportunities that are there. If we can just simply support and provide the right guidance at the right time, be understanding, and work as a society to take this forward.
Menteri Barim Ubadiru Unong Aijing Mut Jong Sarkar Jela Uba Polling Do. Ulakentu Badai Bantau Kambun Kikenhun Village Defense Party Bad Kikenhun Territorial Army Ban Pen Klein Yakurukom Trekam Yaki An Kikanun Hadian Bala Nangjur Kikam Baman Persha Yaki Kanarin. Ula Banjur Kijingdan Kam Bakirki Namarba Gejela Meghalaya Kaduna Palat Kibor Pulit Habayanuchor Bad Kijingbun Upaitba. Uba Polling Do Haba Jubab Hakabayadei Bad Kijing Bitar Kipaitba Halor Kijingja ki badangshan persha iki knarin ula ong ba gejing duna ki bor pulit kapenlong ba omla banbu pulit haman lagi jaka khamtam e hakijaka bakham nya brio kum hasor shelong
the arms, the visibility, the foot soldiers of the police department should be organizations like the VDP. Now we have just 11 VDPs for a city like Shillong, with a population that has boomed and is about to cross 7 lakhs. Now, that apart, I have also discussed with the current Chief Secretary the need to initiate the formation of territorial army. I think these two will be viable solutions to this problem, rather than society getting divided and one blaming the other. Let us work in unison. Given the required ecosystem in place, Meghalaya and Shillong especially will continue to remain peaceful. It is one of the most peaceful stations in the country.
ka sarkar jela kalakular ban shim ya barok ki senjam ban pen beno ya ki khaput bat ke jela Assam bat kala kenturu ya ki nong shong shnong ban penne ya ka sukasan ha kani kapor habakren halor ki jing ya kan at ki bala slam ha khaput u menteri barim u badeiru unong ai jingmut jong ka sarkar jela u ba polling do ula ong ba ka thain lapangap kala long ka chaka ka bajur ki jing ya kan at la kumba katu ka ni por menta ula pen shai ba watla baro artli ki jela kilala ban lap shai ya ki benta jong ka jing ya pher jingmut ha kini ki chaka ka jing pen bet ka bapura kandang kham shimpor watla ka taru ula pen shai ba ka sarkar ka raikut banyadai ki jing im bat ki jing dan jing em jong ki nong shong shnong ha kini ki chaka bajur ki jing ya kan at.
And as a government, we will certainly try to block all loopholes to ensure that the situation does not deteriorate further. And we will also like to appeal to all to maintain peace and calm. That area has been vulnerable for quite some time. But as you know, almost the entire stretch of the interstate borders with Assam, wherever we've had tremendous problems in the past, we have narrowed down on the areas of differences. But it will take some time for the entire issue to be resolved. But I'm sure the government is committed to ensuring the safety and security of our people.
Hanong ba Shillong barok kawe kamtam ha ka shnong umpling la sawa ki khubor halor ga jingja jong ka khana ka badang khat south nem karta nala ka jong ga ying men ha ka si ublei hadin kani ku pulet bat ki samla shnong rengkat ki nong shong shnong kilayawat shitomeka hadu ka por shitang senya la lap no pat yaka ha ka step ngin kong ha padeng ka met ka bakwait bakhia la pha wan ru ya ki ba ying jong ka Shakanesh Das Hospital ha ka por arbajiment stamp ki pulet kim shamla ai kinu ki jing tep ki bania hakabaya day bat kecaka balalap yaka kumban shupen kan mau ka shnong umpling ka don markhap bat ke shnong nongra hakaba dangshen arngut ki khana ret kila cha rangai bat hadian pat lalap ba kila sha penyam
asai kan ni kan dong ka learning lesson yang ngi ru bang in ham khot meeting biak in alert lang seng long kumi seng samla bat ki nong pediat balang kata ka bang syat kwa syat le berobor bani trilang he kanang ba dekikan kinong pediat balang ka khampia te teng ni syat tu sing mengikan mengi kinong pediat sinong teng idom tanru mo ngimla ban kontrol mo ka hot ibriu tengila perkhat mengidam kata ka jingalang sya bagi elders sya
u MLA kanong po uba Meral Bonds im mentakasi ulap lipat ba ya ka kamera auditorium ka bathamai ha ka school nong tulu higher secondary school ha ka jingkran jong u uba Meral Bonds im ulaken tu ki khana school bakin duryap ha ki kam ki jam jong ki bakin pendon kampura ki lat ki kabu bala ai haki ka school kale e ka benta ka bakong san e ban pentikna ba wat ki khana ki ba na ki long yeng ki baduk bakadu kin yo ya ka puli puthi ka babha kumshi benta nakakam jong u ban pen bha shu igi jing dan jing em jong kani ka school u MLA ula pen benaru ya ka work order ka ba ar lakting ka ban pen bha ya ki kamera class ka ba dei ka dakashin ya ka jingkar shan jong u ya ka puli puthi ha kani ka than
bagi sindang kiroki la persyam bania itlong na ka direktor Kami school kalian bersegeri. Kami school kalau pun bersyarat, kalau tidak mengalir misalnya, nalar dibubuh, ilongi ilosem, antang dibuan lagi ilongi ilosem baru. Kiramba ibarat sama lagi kriminal. Bagi semua, bersegera kami school kalau bukai di logi di tahun
u menteri katanat puli puthi uba lak kemen rembui haka NCC MEGHALAYA festival arajar arpusan kabala long dangshen ula kentu iki samla bakin da perkhat sanibha ha kaba yedeiru ban shim ya kabu ban pendon kam ya lagi jong ki sap ki phong uba lak kemen rembui ula ong ba perthai menta kadap dekilat kilenti ki babun chan ha kaba ula mahamru ha ka kapor bagi samla puli ki dei ban long ki bahusiar bat bakim ki deiru ban sha penthami ula benrap ru ba gajing mi jong ka artificial intelligence ka long ka ba ajing rap shibun henry ka deru ka ba ma ha ka bangim la bantip ba ka de ka ba shisha lani ka ba thok ha ka ni ka sngi la don ru ki program tenrai gajing pen i ya ki rukom shna film reel bat gajing pen i nam ya ki riam ki ben.
The advent of technology has given us their freedom to choose, their freedom to do, and it has empowered us to think more. But whether we are able to absorb, to decipher all the technology which is in front of us is a big question mark. The advent of artificial intelligence, it is very helpful, but at the same time it's very scary. Scary in the sense that, as I said, what is in today, it may be out in the evening. We don't know whether it is real, whether it is true, whether it is something else. So you, as the youth of today, you have to be very, very vigilant.
Ka senrap ki seng bhalang harilum garo kalapen bena dagijing ki bamtre etrelang lani ka non cooperation movement ha kabala rai ban pen senge lut ya baro ki kam ki jam nadu kapor san baje men step hadu san baje jan mit ha ka khan riu bat khan nyau tarik urisau kani ka jing ki ka deina ka banta ban persha ya gijing thmu ban ai shaki riu shimet ya ka jaka puli doctor lani ka medical college ha ka ba ki lapen pau ki jing sngo khuslai men sim ba kani kan yalam shakarukam sumar sukher bamla ban kot bor daki trai muluk bat kabala ru ban pendu no ya kabor sencha jong ki autonomous district council u president ka FKJGP u Pritam Areng ha ka kharwa jong u shakilat pathai khubor ula pen pau yi jing khuslai jing mut jong u ba kani ke jing thmu kanyalam sha ke jing kyo palat ka bai sumar na ka benta ki nongpang ha kani ke jing ki persha baro ki kam ki jam harilum karu ken sange lun ki sang bhalang ki khmi nanti ba ga jing le jong ki kan pen long yi ki bor ba dekhmi ban le ek ba bha na ka benta ki paj ba.
The government of Meghalaya in both the issues regarding the GHDC and also regarding the medical codex is trying to bulldoze its agenda on the citizens of Garo Hills, and accordingly to show our dissent, we have appealed to the people of Garo Hills that there will be a non-cooperation movement, not cooperating with the government. We will cease all activities in Garo Hills. All regular activities, daily activities will cease from dawn to dusk, that is from 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. on the 16th and 17th of this month, that is October 2025. So we do hope that our message will get across to the authorities, and the authorities will act in the best interest of its people.
Kum kadak kajing rakhi ya ka World Mental Health Day la penlong ya ka program ajing tip ha district library auditorium ha Jowai u medical superintendent u Dr. W Lakyang u la banjur ya kajing don kam ka bakong san e jong kajing tip khamtam e ha ka ban yo ya ka bor ban ajing rap ha kinu kajing chia ki basniu lani ki bakirki u la pen pau kajing don kam na ka benta kajing tip ka basai ha ki shnong ki thau u Dr. Lakyang u la kenturu ya baro ban shim kinu ki kabu ban wan ra ya kabha kamiat ha ka imlang sa lang baro.
I just want to impress upon you that whatever you learn today, please try to gossip to others. I'm saying gossip because gossip it spread fast. So that way, if you go on continue spreading the word of mental health awareness to your friends at your locality and your home, then one day, I hope that this very theme, easy access to mental health during a catastrophe or emergency will come through.
Ka 50 Battalion Border Security Force kala kner ya lakikti ban ajing arab yikipat ba balatip kum ka Civic Action Program but Community Outreach ha South West Garo Hills kum shibanta naka Ek Bharat Shreshtha Bharat Kani ka sngi kelas dang da ka jingele ka volleyball hapedeng ke ken huan mirengi para bat ke ken huan Chapahati PWD colony kiba mikmat eki arteli kishnang khapun kani ke jingele ka ketmu banwanra eki jingedai paralok kamensim yele ka sport bat ke jingeteli hapedeng ki samla ki badon hakichaka khapun hadian kani ke jingele ka la penlong ya ka civic action program hagani ke sngi la sam yeki tiar yele ka sport ki plus school ki tiar school ki tendong brand bat kiwe syaki skol sorkar ban kershan ya ka puli puthi bat ban kentiru ya ka khuit ka suba haki jaka khapun mentapat ngin pej ya jinglong jingman ka suin beneng Hatura kajing kreat kalong 8 degree Celsius bat kajing shit kalong life away degree Celsius kajing ngam ka hau kalong prapo na ka shispa haba phai pat chanong ba shilong kajing kreat kalong khat sau degree Celsius bat kajing shit kalong 8 degree Celsius kajing ngam ka hau menta ka sni kalong nyob sau na ka shispa kajing hap slap kalong r millimeter kat ba hajuwai kajing kreat kalong 100 degree Celsius bat kajing shit kalong 8 degree Celsius kajing ngam ka hau kalong nyob na ka shispa kajing hap slap kalong 10 millimeter kala bandon kajing hap slap bat kajing tiet uperthat ka ba malumala haki babun ki chaka hatura shilong bat jawai ti paralok katungila poisha ka bakut chong ka thuk bo jingi menta ga janmian hadu bangin de shembyang bat phila shai ka sngi khublei phi baro
Courage, leadership and commitment during